If you want to change portrait to landscape in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to switch your page orientation from portrait to landscape in just a few clicks. This is really useful if you're creating a wide table, a report, a worksheet, or any document that needs more horizontal space on the page. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. All right, let's jump into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it loads, click on Writer document to create a new text document, or open an existing one if you already have a file you want to edit. After the document opens, look at the top menu bar and click Format. This is where LibreOffice keeps many of the page and text settings, including the page layout options. From the Format menu, click Page Style. Depending on your version of LibreOffice, this may open a page style window or a similar settings dialog. Don't worry, you're in the right place. This is where you can control the size, margins, and orientation of your page. Now look for the Page tab inside the Page Style window. Once you're on the Page tab, find the Orientation section. You'll usually see two options here, Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is the default vertical layout, while Landscape gives you a wider horizontal page. Select Landscape. As soon as you choose it, LibreOffice will update the page orientation setting for your document. This is the key step that changes the page from tall and narrow to wide and short. If you're working with charts, screenshots, tables, or any content that needs extra width, Landscape is usually the better choice. After selecting Landscape, click OK to confirm the change. LibreOffice will apply the new page style, and your document should now display in landscape orientation. If you scroll through the page, you'll notice the layout has shifted to the wider format. And that's it. You've successfully changed portrait to landscape in LibreOffice Writer. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to find the setting. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.